Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Do you have a PDF document on your laptop that you want to send to someone on WhatsApp? Maybe it's a report, a form, lecture notes, or even an ebook. Well, the good news is you don't need to transfer the file to your phone first. You can send the PDF directly from your laptop using WhatsApp Desktop or WhatsApp Web. And in this tutorial, I'll show you two very simple ways to do it. All right, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Desktop or WhatsApp Web on your laptop. For this tutorial, I'll be using WhatsApp Desktop. If you don't already have it installed and connected to your phone, don't worry. I have a full tutorial showing how to install and set it up on your laptop. I'll leave the video link in the description so you can check it out. Once WhatsApp is open and connected, go ahead and select the contact or group you want to send the PDF to. In my case, I'm going to select Queenster from my contacts. Now I'm going to show you the first method. This method is actually the fastest one. Simply go to the location on your laptop where the PDF file is saved. Then drag the PDF file and drop it directly into the WhatsApp chat area. Just like that. Great. Immediately, you'll see a preview of the document appear in the chat window. From here, simply click the send icon. And that's it. Your PDF document has been sent. Very simple and very fast. Now let's look at the second method. This method uses the attach icon inside WhatsApp. In the chat window, click on the plus icon, which is the attach button. A small menu will appear. From the options, select Document. Once you click on Document, a File Explorer window will open. Now navigate to the folder where your PDF file is saved on your laptop. Select the PDF file, and then click Open. Just like before, you'll see a preview of the document appear in the chat. Now simply click the Send button. And there you go. Your PDF document has been sent directly from your laptop to WhatsApp. Two easy methods, both very quick and convenient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple tech tutorials, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.